Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I have another unboxing video for you today. As you can see from this package, it's from Tactical Distributors. Hope everyone had a good holiday season. So as you guys can see right here, it is a package from Tactical Distributors, and I ordered some Crye Precision pants. So these are the G3 combat pants in frog skin beach in a size 30 regular. I'm a size 30 regular in my camis, so I figured this would be the best option. And I'm pretty sure my old ones, my other set of Cryes are size 30 as well. But these are the frog skin beach. Here they are out of the package. So these are the combat pants, not the field pants, and you can tell because on the butt area you have the stretchy material here, and then also you have the stretchy material here around the knee area as well for better range of motion and flexibility. Now, personally speaking, I do enjoy the jungle frog skin. So there's two versions. There's the beach version, which is this one, and then there is a jungle version, which has all the greens and everything. But when I first enlisted in 2014, we were still doing deserts during the summertime with the Marine Corps, and then the jungles during the winter time. And eventually, I want to say around 2016, 2017, they ended up giving it to leaving up to the commander to decide, hey, what are you going to wear? Because say, for example, we're in New Jersey where there's a lot of green foliage. It doesn't really make sense to be wearing, desert fatigues or desert camis when you're surrounded by green. But if you've been in the field long enough, you know that at some point, everyone is just a single little shade of brown or whatever from all the dirt that we're being around in. But these are the G3, so they're combat pants. Here's your slots for your knee pads. You can have the Velcro right in here to shove everything in. If I recall correctly, these have water bottle holders on the side, which is this thing right here, or you can throw a shaped charge in there or whatever you want. And then you have some Velcro on the side to adjust for your straps. But I ended up selling with these because I do miss wearing deserts. I don't know, something a little bit nostalgic. I did not get the top for these. That was a little bit of a mistake because now I don't have a matching set. And also, these didn't sell that well. I saw them on Tactical Distributors for a long time, and I paid, I think, full price for these, but I should have waited out because they didn't sell too well. So they were discounted for a while to from let's say 300 down to 200. But I do enjoy wearing Crye pants. First of all, if you're not, running and gunning or LARPing around with your homies, they're great for hiking too. Make sure you want to wear something long to prevent any, bugs or anything, any ticks getting onto you. These are really great for that. And also they're very breathable, they're flexible, which is really nice too. If you're an avid outdoors person, I would recommend these pants if you can fit it within your budget. But that's all I have for today. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Stay safe.